I had.
Ég hafði.
Learn Icelandic past tense fast, English Icelandic. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, ready to time travel to yesterday? Let's make the past tense your superpower today. This show is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources, printables, and bonus drills. Warm up your voice, sip that coffee, and grin a little. We're about to make grammar fun. Your goal today. By the end, you'll confidently say every form of had in Icelandic, without Googling mid-sentence. Your target. Master the past of to have for all persons with friendly examples and jokes. When you hear a cue, repeat aloud. Yes, out loud, your plant won't judge. Quick forms. Say them with me. Echo these forms after me, nice and steady. If your cat looks confused, you're doing it right. I had.
Ég hafði.
You, singular, had.
Þú hafðir.
He had.
Hann hafði.
She had.
Hún hafði.
It had.
Það hafði.
We had.
Við höfðum.
You, plural, had.
Þið höfðuð.
They had.
Þau höfðu.
Pro tip. For quick negation, add ekki, e.g.
Ég hafði ekki.
Tíma. Funny mini dialogue. Listen once, then shadow it with me. Yes, add dramatic flair, it helps memory. A. Yesterday, I had snacks.
Í gær hafði ég snarl.
B. Lucky. You, SG, had time too.
Heppin, þú hafðir líka tíma.
A. He had an umbrella, she had the map.
Hann hafði reglíf, hún hafði kortið.
B. It had 2 flat tires, classic.
Það hafði 2 flöt dekk, klassískt.
A. We had a plan, you, place, had the keys, they had the courage.
Við höfðum áætlun, þið höfðuð lyklana, þau höfðu hugrekki.
Call and response drill. I'll cue in English, you answer in Icelandic. Say it fast and proud. Cue. Yesterday, I had time. Answer.
Í gær hafði ég tíma.
Q. You, SG, had no internet. Answer.
Þú hafðir ekkert net.
Q. He had an idea. Answer.
Hann hafði hugmynd.
Q. She had a small dog as a child. Answer.
Hún hafði lítinn hund þegar hún var barn.
Q. It had already started. Answer.
Það hafði þegar byrjað.
Q. We had enough water. Answer.
Við höfðum nóg vatn.
Q. You, place, had the tickets, right? Answer.
Þið höfðuð miðana, ekki satt.
Q. They had no choice. Answer.
Þau höfðu ekkert val.
Culture tip. Hafði versus Eiga. Tiny tip, huge clarity boost. Icelandic often uses
Eiga.
For ownership, like owning a car, and
Hafa.
For states or having done, with participles. For owning, she owned a car, equals.
Hún átti bíl.
For past perfect, action, she had eaten, equals.
Hún hafði borðað.
When in doubt, actions and conditions love.
Hafa, hafði.
Concrete possession often prefers.
Eiga, átti.
Speed round. Finish the line. Complete the sentence out loud before I reveal it. 3, 2, 1. By morning, it had stopped raining.
Það hafði.
Hate a rigna. We had already eaten.
Við höfðum.
Eager bora. You, SG, had no time.
Þú hafðir.
Engin tíma. He had finished before I arrived.
Hann hafði.
Loki or an egg com. They had the key yesterday.
Þau höfðu.
Lykel and I Geir. You, place, had the documents at the meeting.
Á fundinum höfðu þið.
Skjolin. I had no idea.
Ég hafði.
Enga Hugmund. Pop quiz. No pressure, just playful brain sparks. Answer out loud. Q1. Translate, you had, plural.
Þið höfðuð.
Q2. Translate, she had.
Hún hafði.
Q3. Make it negative, we had not.
Við höfðum ekki.
Q4. Fill the blank. Underscore 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 Igor Bora. He had already eaten.
Hann hafði.
Igor Bora. Q5. True or false?
Það hafði.
Equals, it had. True. Challenge plus goodbye. Time for your mini-story challenge. Tell a 20-second story using at least 3 forms, e.g.
Ég hafði. Þú hafðir. Við höfðum.
Make it funny. Throw in a heroic umbrella and a dramatic snack. Thanks for listening. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for transcripts, flashcards, and more Icelandic goodness. You've got this. Yesterday you didn't, today you do.